Are you tired of sending individual emails to offer signable forms? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to offer signable forms without the hassle of sending separate emails to each person. Stick around because I'm about to share a simple, efficient way to handle all your forms in one place. And I'm even giving you exclusive access to a free trial of the software we're using. First, let's talk about why you need a better way to manage signable forms. If you've been manually emailing forms to each person, it's time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Plus, tracking who has signed and who hasn't can become a nightmare. The solution? Automating the entire process. Now, let's dive into how you can offer signable forms without sending individual emails. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Choose the right software that allows you to create, share, and track signable forms. I've tested several of the most popular options, and the one we're using today streamlines the process while offering advanced features like automatic reminders for signers. You don't have to worry about sending forms one at a time or following up with people manually. 2. Once you've selected your software, upload your form or document. The software we're using supports various document types, so whether it's a PDF, Word doc, or even a custom form you've created, you can upload it in a few clicks. 3. Next, set up the signing process. Most platforms let you add fields where your signers will fill in information, like names, dates, or signatures. This makes it super easy for recipients to know exactly what's needed. 4. Instead of emailing each individual, generate a link that you can share. This link will direct your clients, partners, or anyone who needs to sign straight to the document. They can access it, sign it, and submit it all within the same platform. 5. You can also set up automatic reminders through the software, so you don't have to keep track of who still needs to sign. This reduces the chances of delays and ensures things get done on time. The best part, you can access everything from one central location, making the process much more efficient and less stressful. No more worrying about missed attachments, lost emails, or forgetting to follow up. So why is this method better than sending individual emails? First, it's way more time efficient. You're sending one link and everyone can access and sign the form on their own time. Second, tracking is easier. You'll know exactly who has signed, who hasn't, and even get notifications when it's complete. Third, it's professional and reliable. Your signers will appreciate the streamlined process. Now, here's the key takeaway. You no longer need to send individual emails to offer signable forms. By using a software that generates a link to your form, you save time, reduce errors, and streamline your workflow. To recap, I showed you how to upload your form, generate a link for easy sharing, and track your signers automatically. It's a simple but powerful way to get documents signed without the email chaos. And don't forget, you can try out the software I recommend for free. Just click the link in the description below to access the exclusive free trial, available only to viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching. Take advantage of that free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.